Hello guys, welcome to the Society of Artificial Intelligence. Myself Utkarsh Kala and today I will be your mentor in learning about the company Tamr. It is a data connection and data fusion platform that dramatically reduces the time and effort required to connect with enriched data sources. The cost and complexity of connecting and preparing the massive variety of internal and external data required to power the analytics and applications are unacceptably high. Tamr was launched in the spring of 2014, backed by a series of investors such as Google Ventures and New Enterprise Associates. Tamr is deployed in production at a variety of organizations, including information service providers, pharmaceutical firms, and retailers. Tamr is based in Cambridge, Massachusetts, led by a database industry veterans. Tamr is an enterprise data unification company that is cost-effective, scalable, and accessible to any enterprise. Andy Palmer serves this as the founder and the CEO. Thank you and enjoy learning with the Society of Artificial Intelligence.